Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create or add a table in Canva. So here, I've already opened my blank design on Canva, and to easily add a table, what you need to do is click on the slash icon on your keyboard. Okay, so this shortcut or the magic edit will show up. So you can just click on the show more and here scroll down until you find the table option. So in here you can add table by clicking on this, and you can just set on the how much the column and also row that you want to create. So let's say I'm going to go with 4 but times 4. Click on the boxes and here you can see the box will be created just like that, and here you can make some adjustment of the table by clicking on the table. Here you can change the border. You can set, for example, I'm going to change the border style like this, and you can also set the border weight or the color of the border itself. Okay, I'm going to go with, for example, red color in here. Let's see. Okay, so since I only block one of the column, you can one of the row, you can just, if you want to make the setting for all of it, you can just select the whole table, and you can here you can also change the font for the table, and you can adjust the size by dragging the edges like this. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.